Hi, welcome to HubSpot 101, the video series where I show you useful tips and tricks based on basic HubSpot features. And for today's video, I would like to show you how to exclude a specific contact to your communications. So for instance, you have a competitor that downloaded your lead magnets and want to be aware of all your marketing communication to copy you, and you don't want to send him all your marketing assets and communication. You have several ways to make it happen. The first solution, it's a test portal, so I can't show you, but you might have heard about the marketing contact status. Marketing contact status in HubSpot, what it is the tick box that will decide for HubSpot if a specific contact can receive your marketing communications or not. By tagging a specific contact as a non-marketing contact, it will not receive any of your communications. But in a well-organized portal, we have automatic rules that will define which contact is a marketing contact or a non-marketing contact, and based on this contact action, it can go back to the marketing contact pool and will receive your communication. So it's not the perfect way to make sure you avoid to send your communication to this specific contact. Another way would be to make him opt out of all your communications. So you just click on actions, click on opt out of email, yes, opt them out. And you will see here happening sample contact is opt off email, so that's the proof that he will not receive any communication. A last way of making it happen is to create what I call communication exclusion list. So that's a static list you create, so there is no filters, it's static, so it means you can add or remove people manually, and you can add this specific lead to this list. You click on add to list, you search for the list, and you choose communication exclusion list. But just by being in this list will not make sure they will not receive your communication, but you can use this exclusion list on all your email sending to make sure the member of this list will never receive a specific email. I will show you how. So once you're on your email and you define the send or schedule options, you have the send to list, but you have the don't send to list as well. You simply need to add communication exclusion list. You can also directly choose individual contacts, but I think it's way cleaner if we have one list gathering all those different contacts. I hope this small trick was useful. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel. If you want to get a deeper knowledge of how to set up and optimize a HubSpot portal, you can find on the description below a link to my free training. It was Greg, I wish you a good day and see you soon.